program just opened up earlier this year. It's one of two orthopedic surgery programs on the island. It's led by Dr. Fernandez Soltero. As of right now, our program, I think it's a very well-balanced program. Typical day in the office for me, I guess, I'm doing my general surgery rotation. So we have to do a few months of gen surge. So basically I have to wake up early, pre-round on patients, then have everything ready for the morning where we basically discuss the cases we're going to be performing that day. Then it's off to do notes and then to the OR. It's a pretty hectic schedule, I guess. You're never not doing something. If you're not in the OR, you're helping out a colleague with their patient, or then you're in the OR and they're helping you out. The orthopedic surgeon basically takes care of the body's foundations, bones, joints, and everything that basically helps us move. So whether it's a broken bone, or you're replacing a worn out hip, or you're helping an athlete get back on track, our goal is to restore motion and improve quality of life. UMHS helped me a lot, I think, both clinically and academically. Even the main semester, I feel, was really good clinically for me. I felt very comfortable interviewing patients at the beginning. I think the clinical skills section was very, very well taught as well.